Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll showing you how to make a IoT based home automation system. So we are using a ESP8266 board. So for this we have to install libraries of supported board in my Arduino ID software. So search for Arduino ESP8266 library and click on the GitHub site and scroll down below so we can get board manager URL link. Simply copy the board manager link and here copy the link and paste it the Arduino ID software this. Open the Arduino ID software and go to the files and after this go to preferences. Now click on this and here can see additional board manager URL. Now make a comment and paste the link copied from the GitHub site and then okay. Now go to the tools and go to board and board manager. So after this we have to search for ESP8266. So after this we found the board supported after the installing the library. Now here I already have installed the ESP8266 board, so simply click on the install and then OK. So after this here you can see the ESP board. So I selected the generic ESP8266. So after this we also have to install the Blynk library because we are using the Blynk IoT platform to control our devices. So for this we have to install the Blynk library and go to the code and download the zip file and extract to your any software and copy the file after extracting and paste it to the Arduino folder and go to the libraries in the Arduino folder and paste it simply paste the Blynk library master folder. So we have done with the libraries of Blynk and ESP board. So after this we have to create our account on Blynk IoT. For this we are going for the IoT. So here we have to create an account. So I already have created, so simply I have login and for our new devices go to the template and here you can see the create new template. So for this you can name any device name. So I have named my device IoT and selected the ESP8266 and connection type is Wi-Fi and also describe my device name as home automation and click on the done. So after this we have see a lot of folders so we have make two output pins. For this go to the data stream and you can see a lot of digital analog virtual pins. So select the digital stream, data stream and select the pins of the ESP. So this is the GPIO pin and if you are using the nodemcu then select the proper pin configuration of your according to your board. So here I'm using my ESP12 so I have done my according to board. So after this we are adding buttons and we are controlling the 8 LEDs. So I connected 8 buttons and now select the button of which output will give. So for this select the whole output pins according to your button and click on the save. So after this go to the home page of the Blynk and you can see new devices. So from the templates we have to select the template created above like IoT. Now create this device and here our web dashboard is connected. So we have to upload the code to our ESP board. For this, go to the example and Blynk and the nodemcu. So in this example we can see template id and any other things like Wi-Fi password and Wi-Fi SID name, and also authentication token code. So simply copy the whole details from your Blynk dashboard and paste the whole thing like I have done. So after this you can connect your ESP board or nodemcu or whatever you are using. So after this make sure you can connect your hotspot with ESP. So correctly fill the SSID password and name of your hotspot. So I'm using USB to TTL converter and ESP diversion of my own circuit. So for this I click on the upload button and you can see the code is uploading on my ESP board, and it's almost done. So it's completed. Now I press the reset switch, and in the PC monitor you can see the IoT offline, but after connecting my ESP to my hotspot network, it's get online, and also blue light indicates on the ESP that is connected to my hotspot network. Now I controlling my blue LED, which is the GPIO 2 pin of ESP. So this is the LED 3. Now we can remove the communication pin RxTX, and after all we have to create our basic circuit, which is also given in the description. Full details of this circuit. So after the completing whole circuit, we can see the output controlling from our PC or any devices like Android phone or anything. So after this you can see the our ESP is connected properly, and all LEDs are converted. Now in the dashboard we can switch on the LED or off the LED according to your requirement. You can also connect any relay or SCR or thyristor, so that you can control any heavy loads of AC to 20 volts. So we can also use Blynk IOT app, Android app. So for this we can simply log in to your login password to your app, and we have to make a button setting. So for this I have select right board right pins of the ESP module, and configure all the things as I done in the dashboard settings. So after this the whole system is complete almost. So you can simply done with your Android phone or PC, and after all we have done almost done with the all things. So after this you can see we are controlling the LED with our smartphone also. Now in the case I am controlling 8 LEDs, we can maximum control 11 outputs because it have 11 GPIO. Now you can see we can control from phone and web dashboard both. So this is the basic of working of IoT. So if you have any doubt, then ask me in the comment, and watch my blog on this topic. And thanks for watching till the next video.